Welcome to Klean Leaf, where innovation meets sustainability at the forefront of laundry care. As a pioneering manufacturer of laundry detergent sheets, we've set a new standard for cleanliness and eco-friendliness across the globe. Klean Leaf is proud to announce that we've supplied 80% of the laundry detergent sheets worldwide, marking us as a leader in the industry. Our products have made their way into homes in the USA, Australia, Europe, the UK, Korea, Japan, and over 30 countries, revolutionizing laundry routines with a blend of efficiency and environmental responsibility. At Klean Leaf, our commitment goes beyond just providing eco-friendly products. We believe in excellence both in the quality of our detergent sheets and the service we offer. Our team of professionals works tirelessly to ensure that each product we deliver meets the highest standards of performance and sustainability. Our global footprint is a testament to our professionalism and the trust our customers place in us. We are dedicated to continuing our mission of supplying the best laundry detergent sheets on the market, making laundry care easier, greener, and more effective for everyone, everywhere. Choose Klean Leaf for a laundry solution that you can trust, backed by a team that's committed to excellence. Join us in our journey to make the world a cleaner, greener place, one load of laundry at a time.